Hi creative friends, Chantel here. Welcome to Art Side Out. Today we are making our own collage paper, our own ephemera. So postcards and little bingo cards and stamps and little notes that we can use in our art journaling and mixed media projects, which you know we all love to do. There's nothing like making it yourself and using your own collage. Oh my goodness, I'm addicted to this now, I have to say. Stay with me till the end so you can watch this all come together from beginning to end. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's jump in. I'm using some lightweight cardstock that I had in my paper stash and Glowblend clear vintage postage stamps. You can use any paper, even printer paper will do. All supplies will be listed in the description below. I'm using Ranger Archival ink in jet black and potting soil. Both are permanent and waterproof, which you will want to use for this project because of what we'll be doing after. There is something cathartic about stamping, which is one of the reasons I love making these vintage postage collage pieces. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to like and subscribe, share and comment. This triggers YouTube to share my content with even more people and get it out to the masses, which in turn enables me to continue to bring these art videos to you, which I love to do. Using an acrylic block for stamping is great, though sometimes not all the stamp ends up on the page. For this project, I'm okay with that because it adds to the aged vintage look that I'm going for. Next time though, I will probably just use my hands to apply the stamps so I can ensure there is ample pressure being applied for the entire stamp. Just look at that. I absolutely love where this is going. Now we are going to add distress inks. I'm using antique linen, walnut stain, vintage photo, and iced spruce. I feel these are going to give a nice grungy aged look. Starting off with antique linen. And now moving on to vintage photo. Oh, I just love how this is looking so far. And now walnut stain for some darker distressing, so I went from light to dark. And now iced spruce for a grungy sage blue color. Time for the spritz and flick technique. Spritzing some water onto the page and creating watermarks. I'll do a close-up pretty soon here so you can see all the yummy goodness. And now I'm taking walnut stain and putting it on my glossy palette paper. I spray it with water, dip my brush in there, and do some splatters. Here's a close-up. I bet you can't wait to try this. If you make some, don't forget to tag me at Chantal Richard Art on Instagram. I love to see your projects. Oh, the moment we've been waiting for now. We're going to cut out our vintage collage pieces and see how it all turned out. Oh my, the anticipation. Love, love, love these. Oh my goodness. There they are. Oh, the possibilities of what we can do with these. Let's see how they look in my art journal. Oh yeah, there we go. There's something about making your own that feels so good. Using your own collage ephemera. I absolutely cannot wait to use these in upcoming art journaling and mixed media projects. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this helps bring your art side out.